So recently I gave you guys a tour of the greenhouse, and today I'm going to show you what I've done. It's a very early spring, late winter, and I just transplanted some grapes. I mentioned it last time in the greenhouse video, but now I'm going to actually show you. So here's the grape vines. They're pretty old. Some of them are 20 plus years old. I transplanted them a few weeks ago. I won't really know if they've taken for a long time, but I've got 4. So I've got one in that corner there, one here, one there. My plan is to get them to grow up the gazebo, and I don't know, I feel like it'll look beautiful. It'll be a lot easier to climb up there to get grapes if I need to, but I'm going to keep them pruned as well, so hopefully I won't have to climb too high. So let's continue here, and over here is a new plum tree that I planted. It's doing great. It looked a little bit rough last year. I didn't know if it was going to take, but it actually did. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the buds are appearing. So hopefully we get some sort of fruiting this year. I have no idea what variety of plums they are. It was a gift. Then we'll move over here, which I think is exciting. This is a giant mulch bed. So I had a bunch of plants that I cut up and I threw them down. The soil here was pretty shitty, so I wanted to get some nutrients back in there. And I dug it up a bit and it looks great. There's lots of worms, lots of bugs, and the soil looks a lot better. There were some strawberries under this, and I hope they come back. If not, it's okay, because I got a whole plan for back there. I got some berry bushes coming in the mail. But what we did exactly today is we got one of these lavender plants. It's a big mature one. I know it looks dead, but it's just because of the winter. Then there's a little itty bitty baby one right there. So we planted those today. Hopefully they do well here. And then I planted some sunchokes underneath that mulch there. That's hemp. I'm hoping the sunchokes do really well, because I've never had them before, but apparently they're delicious and the flowers are beautiful. And I'll give you a good kind of zoomed out look here. So of that area, we had the birdhouse. It was a gift for our wedding. But today we set up the bird feeders finally. We got to get some seeds for them though, but I think that looks pretty nice. And then over there, we got a bird bath set up, which I think looks kind of cute. So short video today, not much to show you besides a little bit of work. But I think, everything's coming along. This little area looks especially cute. I don't know, I've found myself coming out here and just staring. Other gardeners probably know what I'm talking about. And yeah, this just looks really cute. I'm excited.